Did you know that buying the wrong washing machine can cost you hundreds of dollars in repairs, higher energy bills, and poor cleaning performance? Before buying an automatic washing machine, you should always look at cleaning performance, energy efficiency, capacity, noise level, reliability, smart features, and long-term value, not just the price. Now, let's count down the top 5 washing machines of 2026. Number 6. Maytag MHW6630HC. If durability is your top priority, the Maytag MHW6630HC is a strong contender. It's built to handle frequent heavy loads and is well known for its powerful cleaning performance. The extra power button helps tackle stubborn stains without needing a second wash. Number 5. Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo. If you want the latest technology, this machine is hard to ignore. It washes and dries your clothes in one unit, saving both time and space. Its AI features automatically adjust the wash settings for better results. Smart features, space-saving design, premium look. Expensive and repair costs can be higher than traditional models. Number 4. Whirlpool WFW9620HC. Whirlpool focuses on reliability and ease of use. The load-and-go detergent system lets you wash multiple loads without adding detergent every time, making everyday laundry much easier. Reliable, simple to operate, excellent stain removal. Wash cycles can be longer than some competitors. Number 3. GE Profile UltraFast Combo. Perfect for busy people who don't want to move clothes from the washer to the dryer. It finishes the entire job in one machine while offering smart Wi-Fi controls. Pros: convenient all-in-one design, energy efficient. Cons: drying large loads takes longer than a separate dryer. Number 2. LG WM8900HBA. This washer is built for large families. It has a huge capacity, powerful steam cleaning, and a quiet direct drive motor that's known for long-term reliability. Pros: excellent cleaning, large capacity, quiet operation. Cons: takes up more space and costs more than mid-range models. Number 1. Electrolux ELFW7637AT. Taking the top spot is the Electrolux ELFW7637AT. It delivers outstanding cleaning performance, protects delicate fabrics, uses energy efficiently, and consistently earns high ratings from experts and customers. Pros: exceptional cleaning, fabric care, energy efficient. Cons: premium price, but well worth it if you want long-term performance. So, which washing machine would you choose for your home? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more appliance buying guides and home maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.